natural disasters and climate change on the Event Channel. Hello, and welcome. Parts of Colorado's Front Range were hit by a hailstorm overnight, causing significant damage. Thunderstorms, mostly situated north of Denver, brought hail that caused damage in Boulder, Larimer, and Weld counties. Some vehicles in Erie were hit hard, resulting in shattered windshields and damaged exteriors. The hail was so substantial in some places that residents had to remove it from their driveways using shovels. Late Tuesday, over a dozen reports of hail that measured at least 1 inch in diameter were reported, with some hailstones as large as 2 inches in diameter. The hail, which was as large as golf balls, shattered windows, damaged cars, and caused holes in many properties. The storm hit during rush hour, causing damage to numerous vehicles in the area. The National Insurance Crime Bureau reported that around 167,000 auto and 100,600 homeowners insurance claims were filed due to the severe weather. Hoses were required to dry out the mall as the roof collapsed due to the storm. According to Carol Walker, Executive Director of the Rocky Mountain Insurance Information Association, Colorado's most damaging hailstorm demonstrates the magnitude of the damage that can result from a single storm. The next most costly hailstorm, reported by the NICB, was for $767.6 million on July 20, 2009. Coloradans are familiar with frozen precipitation, but it was not snow that caused damage this time. Subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.